Welcome to the Farmer's Point. Our progress is here. Our effective products are highly beneficial for us. Ecdone and Active Thinner are used all over the world. Dalda Sprayer are also used all over fields in Pakistan effectively. We also launched vendor programs for same-tier products. We also invite for partners to grow with us. Here are our sports events which we conducted before. We conducted our live sports events in Okara City and streamed live also on international level. Okara teams well played. Well done to all players. Our shooting volleyball live tournaments are on the peak level. We also streamed live for Netflix. Our vendor programs are on the top level for growing sales. We also celebrated solitary days like Kashmir Day and the Day of Independence. Our volleyball tournaments are on the top level. Farmers Point conducted challenging games in between the Okara clubs, sports volleyball and many more. Our seller programs are for lifting up people together. The top leveled powerful clubs stream live with us. Kindly subscribe, like and share our Facebook page and YouTube channel.